Here we can see today how to do the linear equations. Okay, so algebraic equations or linear equations means the equations in one variable is called linear equation. It will be in the form of ax plus b equal to 0. That is the linear equation, right? So one a is the coefficient of x and b is a constant. So how to solve for x? So x means variable, it will be changing for each values like that. For example, we can put for x 1, 2, 3, anything we can put. So x is a variable, right? And a and b are constants. So how will you find the value of x? That's the type of linear equations we are going to see, and how we are going to solve that linear equations I am going to explain this. So first I will take a simple linear equation. 5x plus 2 equals 8. Okay, so here normal how we are going, we will do linear equation, we can check first. So think like that, this x I want to value of x, and I want to find the value of x. For that I want to make the x alone. How will I do? What will I do to make the x alone? So first 5 into x. So multiplication means it is very close to x than the addition. So first easy to eliminate is this addition factor. This plus 2 I will eliminate first. So I can get this 5 alone, and I can eliminate it easily after that. So for that what I will do first? 5x, if there is plus 2, then I will do the additive inverse, right? The additive inverse of plus 2. Additive inverse of 2 is minus 2, because 2 minus 2 is 0. So that I can eliminate it. It will become 0 now. For that purpose I am adding negative 2 here. If I am adding here negative 2, then I want to do here also negative 2. Then only it is called balancing the equations. So no change now. Here if I add negative 2, here also I am adding negative 2. So no change. So I am doing like that. So now this became 5x is equal to 8 minus 2, 6. Because this is 2 minus 2, 0. Now we want to eliminate this 5, so that I will get the value of x. So 5 into x is 5x, right? So how will I eliminate? By doing the multiplicative inverse. So what is the multiplicative inverse, or we will call reciprocal of 5? That is 1 by 5, because the multiplicative identity is 1, right? So if I do 5 into 1 by 5, I will get the value 1. So x into 1 means x only. So no change. So that I am multiplying with 1 by 5. If I am here multiplying with 1 by 5, here also I want to multiply with 1 by 5, right? So now it becomes 5 into 1 by 5 is 1. Then 1 into x is x. So x is equal to 6 into 1 by 5 is 6 divided by 5. So I got the answer of x as 6 divided by 5. Now I will take another question. I am taking one simple question now. X plus 2 is equal to 8. How will you find? So like already we have done a difficult question, so this will be easy for you. First x plus 2 minus 2 you want to do. Here also 8 minus 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. So x plus 0 is x is equal to 8 minus 2 is 6. So we found 6. Now this linear equation I am going to explain in a magic triangle way. Already in my video I have put what is magic triangle. So in that way, how will you do this linear equation? So the magic triangle, first something is there that will not change. This is negative, this is positive. Okay, so this will not change. For you to understand, I am putting some gap. So this is one column, this is one box, this is one box, and this is addition. That is, you want to add these two. You can if you add these two, you will get this number. If you subtract this minus this, you will get this number. If you subtract this minus this, you will get this number, like that. Okay, so here wherever addition, what you want to add, x and 2 you want to add. If x and 2 you want to add, you put like that, x plus 2 equals what? 8. So x plus 2 equals 8. So how will I get x? I told this, whatever comes here minus this, we will get value. See, 8 minus 2, that only I have done here. 8 minus 2, right? So 8 minus 2 equal 6. I think it's easy for you to understand. So if you have first you practice by balancing equation. After some time, you don't want to do balancing equation every time. It will be a your time will be going in the exams and all. So if you have doubt, you can use this magic triangle to solve. I will do one more question. See, question now is x minus 2 equals 8. How will you solve this? Here minus is there. So where the x will come? X minus 2. So x minus 2 equals 8. If you subtract these two, you will get this, I told. So x minus 2 means you want to write like this. X minus 2, if you do, you will get 8. So to find x with these numbers, what you want to do? You want to 2 plus 8 you want to do. So x is equal to 2 plus 8, that is equals 10. Check by balancing equation. X minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 8 plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. So x plus 0 equal to 0. So x equal to 8 plus 2, 10. The same answer only we are getting. Okay. Now, if the question is find x is equal to 10. How will you do this question? By seeing this question, we can know that with what you want to multiply 5 and you will get 10. You will simply tell 5 into 2 is 10. So answer is like that, because I chose a simple question for you to explain. But how will you do? If the complicated question comes also, the same rule applies. See. So in this magic triangle, this is actually division. Instead of multiplication, this is division here. And instead of addition, this is multiplication over here. That means this box into this box equal to this box. This box divided by this box, you will get this box. And this box divided by this box, you will get this box. Like that, it will come. So here 5 into x. So into means 5 into multiplied by x equals 10. So now how will you find the value of x? X will be equal to 10 divided by 5. 10 divided by 5. What is 10 divided by 5? That is 2. Okay. Can I get some difficult question? See. 11x is equal to 121. How will you do this question? So 11 into x is equal to 121. So x will be equal to 121 divided by 11. That is equal to, for 11 multiplication it is easy, already I told. Whatever is answer over here, see 1 plus 1 is in the middle term 2. So what is the answer? 1, 1. So it is a multiplication of 11. By seeing that we can understand. So what is the answer will be? Answer on the hundredths place and tens place will be the answer. So 11 is the answer and we have found that. Now next, when the addition and multiplication comes, how will we do? Let's see. 5x plus 2 equals 10. The question is like this, how will you do? So first step, addition. So we can change the, okay, we can do 2 magic triangles so that I don't want to erase it every time. Addition, subtraction. Okay, so 5x plus 2 equal to 10. So 5x plus 2 is equal to 10. So first step is what? 5x equal to 10 minus 2. So 5x equal to 10 minus 2. That is 8, right? So that is equal to 8. So that, then next step is 5x equals 8, right? So that 8 we can write here. So 5x equals 8. So 5 into x is equal to 8. Here what you want to do? X is equal to 8 divided by 5. So 8 divided by 5. So like this you draw 2 triangles and you can do it easily. No need of confusion, these linear equations. Next, 5 is equal to, okay, 10x divided by 2. Okay, next step, complication we can take. So here 5 is equal to 10x divided by 2. So here multiplication and division only, so we can use this. So 10 into x means 10x, sorry, here 10x divided by 2. So 10x divided by 2 is equal to 5, right? 10x divided by 2 is equal to 5. Because here division and this means you want to multiply this. So what will you get? 10x is equal to 2 into 5, that is 10. Right? These two you want to multiply. Next is 10 is equal to, how will you find? 10 is equal to, so 10, so next is multiplication. So this we can erase and we can write like 10 into x equals 10. So to find the value of x, what will you do? 10 divided by 10. So what is 10 divided by 10? 1. So we got the value of 1. I hope all of you understand using the linear equation using this magic triangle. So some of them finds difficult to do linear equations. For them, I think this will be helpful. So you message in the comments, okay, will it be helpful for you or not? I found, I have told for some of my students and they really enjoyed it, and some of them don't understand whether we want to do multiplication, division, like that. For them this actually helps. So initially if you do like that, then after that you can you will understand the concept and you can do more questions on your own without this triangle and all. So 5x minus 2 equals to 10, and find the value of x and write the answer in the comment box. I hope you all understand. So those who understand, please comment the answer, okay, and how you have applied in the magic triangle and all, you tell, and I think it is interesting for you. So subscribe, and I will try to tell you more how will we solve the exam papers, how can minimize the time. Time is very, very important in an exam paper. How will we minimize the time in an exam paper, and what methods you can follow, like that I will explain. Okay, so subscribe the channel and please write the answer for this question. Bye.